Right in the heart of Mexico City, hidden within the vast Bosque de Chapultepec, lies a peaceful oasis filled with lush greenery, rare plants, and vibrant flowers. Welcome to the Jardín Botánico del Bosque de Chapultepec. The Chapultepec Botanical Garden has a rich history dating back to the pre-Hispanic era, when the Aztecs considered Chapultepec Hill a sacred place and cultivated medicinal plants here. Today, this beautiful garden serves as a sanctuary for biodiversity, showcasing over 300 species of plants native to Mexico and beyond. The main goal of the Jardín Botánico is to preserve and protect endangered plant species, educate visitors about Mexico's rich natural heritage, and promote sustainable gardening practices. It's a place where science, conservation, and beauty come together to inspire future generations. One of the most unique features is the cactus and succulent collection, highlighting Mexico's famous desert plants like agaves, nopales, and towering cacti. You'll also find a butterfly garden, medicinal herbs, and a stunning greenhouse filled with exotic flowers. As you wander through the paths, you'll notice artistic installations, quiet resting areas, and interactive educational spaces where visitors can learn about urban gardening, reforestation, and plant care. Unlike the bustling streets of Mexico City, the Botanical Garden offers a peaceful retreat where you can take a deep breath, enjoy the fragrance of flowers, and listen to the sounds of nature. It's the perfect place for a relaxing stroll, photography, or simply connecting with nature. Whether you're a nature lover, a plant enthusiast, or just looking for a quiet escape, the Jardín Botánico del Bosque de Chapultepec is a must-visit destination. Until next time, keep exploring,